Referring to microorganisms or bacteria, people often immediately think of their bad effects. However, the gut microbiome is extremely important for the digestive system, the immune system, and many other roles in human health. The gut microbiota is its own ecosystem. They make up a gut microbiome that includes all the millions of bacteria found in the human digestive system. Currently, scientists have discovered more than 1,000 different types of bacteria with a total of about 3 million genes, 150 times more than human genes. Newborns are immediately invaded by microorganisms from the moment they are born. This source of microorganisms mainly comes from the mother, like skin, breast, etc., followed by the air. This microbiome continues to develop until the child is 2 years old and is affected from nurturing method. After 2 years of age, this microbiome develops and diversifies like an adult and continuously develops throughout life under the influence of lifestyle, food. According to some statistics, when people are in good condition, the intestinal microbiota will have 85% beneficial bacteria, and the remaining 15% harmful bacteria. Spending more time in nature could reduce germaphobia. Germaphobia is the pathological fear of germs, bateria and microbes. This phenomenon could be harmful found only in vertebrates by encouraging people to avoid the natural world. In a recent study, researchers wanted to understand whether there was a relationship between people's engagement with nature and attitudes towards microbes. They also investigated whether basic microbial literacy might influence these attitudes. Microbial literacy includes the ability to correctly identify different microbial groups. To answer these questions, they developed an online questionnaire and received over 1,000 responses. They found that people who showed more positive attitudes towards microbes spent significantly more time in nature per week. They also stayed significantly longer in nature per visit. These results suggest that germaphobia-related attitudes may reduce people's desire to spend time in nature. But it could also mean that spending time in nature increases positive attitudes towards microbes. Research points to a strategy to minimize the negative consequences of germaphobia. By spending more time in nature, we can improve our immune function via exposure to environmental microbes that regulate our immune system. Spending more time in nature can also reduce stress and anxiety while promoting social cohesion and a sense of connection. Adults should also teach children about the different ways microbes support individual and planetary health. For example, 8% of our own human genome was acquired through viral infections. Furthermore, the human mitochondria cells are thought to have evolved from a bacterium millions of years ago. Learning more about the role of bacteria could help reduce germaphobia in the future. If you do not have time to go out to experience nature, putting some plants in the living space in the house will also help to improve the bioenergy for each person's spirit. Because green trees themselves create natural vibrations, a kind of healthy biological field, balancing and harmonizing feelings of anxiety and pressure from body to mind in modern life.